Child labor. What is it and why is it important to eliminate it? Child labor refers to the employment of children under a legally specified age, preventing them from gaining access to formal education. All around the world, every country is trying to do everything in their power to stop child labor. However, abolishing child labor completely is a goal yet to be achieved. Every country has proposed rules against child labor, and anyone who is found breaking the law would be subject to imprisonment or some kind of punishment as deemed by the court of law. In India, the Indian Constitution lays out rules against child labor under Article 24, which states no child below the age of 14 shall be employed to work in any factory or mine or employed in any hazardous employment. There are also other constitutional provisions for child upliftment in the Indian Constitution, which includes the right to education under Article 21, that is, a free and compulsory education for all children from the age of 6 to 14. And Article 39 points out that the state shall in particular direct its policy towards securing the health and strength of workers, men and women, and the tender age of children are not abused, and that citizens are not forced by economic necessity to enter avocations unsuited to their age or strength. There is also the International Labour Organization that brings together workers, employers and governments of 187 member states in order to set working standards, design and develop policies and devise programs that promote decent working conditions for both men and women all around the world. According to 2020 global estimates of child labor, 1 in 10 of all children worldwide are engaged in child labor, accounting for around 160 million child workers. Not every work done by a child is considered child labor. A child doing something that in no way affects the child's health and personal developments or interferes with the child's schooling is not child labor.